What's up, baby?
I'm in the summer pool. That just accidentally said it's the summer pool.
You in the summer pool?
Yeah.
It's going down in the summertime.
I'm trying to do my tricks so it can go fast as waves.
Alright.
I can't do it. It's usually going, you have to put your hands and slowly do big ones.
Yeah, we just in the backyard.
Chilling in the coldest pool, and it's cold now, it's turning to warm, and my arms are wiggly like something. Hold on, let me hop on my mom. Don't show her.
I'm sure.
Yeah. Wait, she's sitting up there?
Nuh-uh.
Oh, I'm gonna hide.
She making some sandwiches and she coming down.
Oh. Let me just back it up.
So you feeling good right now, Mr. Isaiah? You relaxing?
Yeah, I found the coin down here. But it accidentally went somewhere down. Oh, right there.
Okay.
I'm standing in this pool to get some on my pretty skin.
And pretty skin. And pretty.
Hold on. These shorts are like huge because every time I get water I have to empty them. Oh, this is warm.
Well, you gotta say you a holler to the camera, man, so we can get back to chilling like we do.
Pull it back to the cameras.
Say I holler.
I'll holler the 2-piece can.